If you've bounced between task apps and still feel behind, this video ends it. We're comparing TickTick, Todoist, and Things 3. 3 elite to-do apps that fit very different brains. In the next 4 minutes, I'll show you what each does best, who it's for, and one fast setup tip so you can get results this week. To kick things off, what is TickTick? TickTick is your personal command center. Think tasks, calendar, time blocking, habit tracking, and focus stats in one place. It's perfect if you want one app for your day. It will allow you to plan your schedule, execute deep work, and track habits without switching tools. Collaboration also exists, but TickTick shines for personal productivity and daily rhythm. While on the other hand, what is Todoist? Todoist is the fast, minimal task manager that scales when you need it. You will get blazing quick capture, natural language due dates, labels, and powerful filters for custom views. It's ideal if you want a clean list today that can grow into a serious life system tomorrow, with light team collaboration when needed. While on the other hand, what is Things 3? Things 3 is the beautiful distraction-free app for Apple users, as it works on Mac OS and iOS only. The hierarchy is areas, projects, headings, and tasks, and the today or upcoming views make planning feel effortless. No built-in timers or habits, and that's the point. Clarity over features for solo Apple-only workflows. Now let's talk about how it feels to use these platforms on a day-to-day basis. For example, let's start with Todoist. Todoist is the fastest inbox, while TickTick is close and great at freezing time, and Things 3 is an instant on Apple with quick entry. And if you're planning your week, I would say that TickTick calendar view makes time blocking simple, and Things 3 upcoming is the smoothest weekly review, while Todoist relies on filters and calendar sync to stay lean. And also when it comes onto deep work and habits, I would say that TickTick wins here with its Pomodoro plus habits built in, while Todoist on the other hand stimulates habits via recurring tasks, and Things 3 keeps you focused by staying minimal. And if you want to talk about collaboration when it comes onto these platforms better yet, Todoist is the best for small teams, while TickTick shares lists as a secondary focus, while Things 3 is essentially for solo users. And if we were to talk about pricing when it comes onto this platform, with TickTick, while you can use it for free, you can see that your annual plan is for $35.99, and with Todoist you can also get started for free, and their monthly plan begins at $5 and it can go up to $8. And with Things 3 you can also get started for free, and you can see right there that their plan begins at $9.99 for iPhone and Apple Watch, and $19.99 for iPad, and $49.99 for Mac OS. Now, which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend you choose TickTick if you want one app to run your day. For example, if you wanted to plan your time blocks, execute with Pomodoro, and lock in habits. Perfect for students, creators, and solopreneurs who love structure. While on the other hand, I would recommend Todoist if you want minimalism that scales. Lightning capture now, powerful filters later, and simple collaboration, great for individuals and small teams. And I would recommend that you choose Things 3 if you are an Apple user and you want the calmest planning experience, zero clutter, and world-class design and frictionless weekly reviews. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative.